Hey everyone, it's been a while. I've been busy, but today I got a message. I woken up and, well, relatively speaking, woke up and got this wonderful message. One of my guys, he shared his success with me, posted it on the Discord channel. He got these shoes off of Nike's sneaker site, SNKRs, the sneaker site. Anyway, he got them off the Nike sneaker site, and you know, was happy to share with me, and I'm happy to see some successes shared with me. I know there's other successes around, but I appreciate the ones when they actually turn around, caught me on Facebook, sent me the share, and I really, really appreciate it. With that being said, that's, you know, that was one of the Holy Grail sites. From what I can tell, he ran 3 tasks. In the first task, while he was watching it, he got the email saying, "Hey, congratulations, you got the shoes." So there it is. There it goes, man. The other 2 sites, the 2 tasks didn't go through. So the first of 3 tasks he ran, he got the shoes. Congratulations. I hope you have make a good profit off them. Thank you for sharing the success with me. So for others who, have had successes, please try to share them with me. But with that being said, that discount price is going to go bye-bye soon now. So thank you so very, very much. The regular prices are coming back up. I appreciate it. You take care. Have a good day. Bye-bye.